I'm Justin from Warne, and today we're going to talk to you a little bit about some of the features and benefits of our Maxima Horizontal rings, as well as go over the installation. They're an extension of our Maxima ring line, which are vertically split rings, and they share a lot of similar qualities to those rings, but there are some significant differences. The first being that it is a horizontally split design rather than a vertical split. The recoil key is captured, so it's not going to fall out when you loosen the clamp and install them onto the bases or when you remove the scope. It is the NATO Stanag 4694 spec for attaching to the bases. So unlike a Weaver style or Picatinny mount where it's going to clamp to the sides of the base, this will attach to the top of the base and apply pressure to the bottom sides. They are made out of sintered steel, feature a black epoxy powder coat, and are available in a 1-inch and 30mm tube size, low, medium, and high height. So let's go over the installation of these. First thing you're going to want to do is loosen the screws, remove the cap, and loosen the clamp screws as well. And then we're going to place both rings on our bases. You can run this clamp on either side of the base. It doesn't matter in this case. I'm running them on the right hand side because that's just my preference. And you want to apply pressure forward on the ring toward the muzzle as you snug down the bottom two clamp screws on each ring. And then we want to torque these bottom screws to a max of 25 inch-pounds. Then we're going to lay our scope in the rings where we think it's going to be, and you can place the caps over the top of the tube. Next, you are going to just start all 4 of the screws, but keep the cap loose so you'll be able to slide around the tube for adjusting eye relief. And then after we've adjusted for eye relief and leveled our reticle, we're actually going to go back and torque the top screws. In this case, you want to tighten these screws in an X pattern. So the final step is torquing the caps of these rings, and for torque, we recommend not exceeding the scope manufacturer's torque spec or a maximum of 18 inch-pounds. After we torque them down, we're ready to bore sight and hit the range. For more info, visit our website at www.warnescopemounts.com, and thanks for watching.